Well, we're on the bridge overlooking the River Towie, and here is an elm tree. Now, what caught my attention are the flowers, and the sheer number of flowers that this tree has. The 4 leaves, just an incredible amount of energy has gone into putting flowers, and each little branch, hundreds of flowers. And here on the bridge are a few that have escaped. Being ably assisted by my dog. Thinking about that tree, I wonder how many flowers and how many seeds over the years it's produced and spread. And I wonder how many have taken root. See, the tree has put a huge amount of energy and effort into growing, and then into spreading and the next generation. I think sometimes we're mean and we expect results too fast, but nature teaches us to be generous, and the Bible does. Psalm 37. It says, "The wicked borrow and do not repay; they're grabbers, they're takers. But the righteous gives generously. Those the Lord blesses will inherit the land, and he will curse those he curses will be cut off. The Lord delights in a man's way and makes his firm step. Though he stumble, he will not fall, for the Lord upholds him with his hand." The thinking there and behind that is that those who don't trust God, don't believe in him, think everything belongs to them, they're graspers. But the righteous person, the person who's right with God, sows generously and gives generously, and knows that everything that they have comes from God, who can give them more should he wish. Don't let your left hand know what your right hand is doing, the Bible tells us. And so if you're a Christian, you should be generous. Generous with your finances, yes. Generous with your time. Generous with your affections, your love. Generous with the gospel. And it may feel at times like we're giving so much more than we'll ever receive. But that's a momentary thought. And the Bible makes it clear that that's not true. That God is no man's debtor. And so let's be generous with our time, with our thoughts, and let's recognize that it's generosity that God blesses. And if we want our Christian lives to grow, give him more of our time. If we want our churches to grow, give it more of our time. If we want more people to come to know Jesus Christ, be generous with everything we have and everything we do and say. From me and my little friend, who's waiting for me to go into the field with him and throw a stick. Have a good day. God bless.